Miss Mama.
Where my mama worked at some of their kids.
We're back on the record in County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. We're back on the record in our arraignment docket. We just concluded with all those who appear for the arraignment docket. Now we will move to our bond forfeitures. First case that we're calling is cause number 319232. The case is filed in the state of Texas versus Charles Ray Gibson Jr. Mr. Charles Gibson was given notice to be in court today for the arraignment of his case. And his name was called at about 9 a.m. at the time that the arraignment started. His name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. He did not answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12 o'clock noon, and Mr. Gibson has not appeared in court. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Charles Gibson? Charles Gibson's name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. He did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Gibson an opportunity to appear in court. He is not appearing in court. State, you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move for a habeas and a bond forfeiture this time.
That will be granted. In cause number 319232, Charles Gibson's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. We're in session in cause number 329992. The case is styled State of Texas versus Melissa Amy Simmons. Melissa Amy Simmons was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. And her name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door, and she did not answer. She has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 12:01 p.m. on today's date of August 17 of 2021. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Melissa Simmons? Melissa Simmons' name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff, and Ms. Simmons did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Simmons an opportunity to appear in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move for a habeas and a bond forfeiture this time.
That motion will be granted. In cause number 329992, Melissa Simmons' bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. This will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket in County Court at Law Number 2, which is scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of August 17 of 2021. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding.